Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe or you are new to this channel, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting on our GBPJPY today. Let's start with our trend. We have to zoom it out properly to see the full view of what GBPJPY is doing. And we can clearly see that we are in an uptrend. That is our overall trend. It says we are in an uptrend move. But since we would want to predict what market will be doing for the day, we need to see what market our current trend is. And this is our current trend we are arranging. If you have been following this channel consistently, you would have seen where I predict. I think it was last week where I predicted a market last week or last week. So either last week or last week, I predicted GBP JPY will definitely drop, and this is it. It dropped. It dropped. It dropped and tapped our support level. Currently now, our next movement on GBP JPY should come to tap our resistance level. That is our next movement. So we should be expecting this bullish move, this buy that to continue to push out till it taps our resistance. Once it taps our resistance, then we can now hop in for a sell. So basically, just trade with what you see, which is ranging. So only sell in your resistance and buy in your support level. Just trade a ranging market move.